So now let's see how we can work around with shapes inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with shapes, you need to go around onto the left hand side and then go around over here onto the tool section right here, the shape tools that is. Then you can see that rectangle is an option. If I were to click and drag this around, then you can see that this is what you have. Click and drag it around and then you got the rectangular shape into more rounded rectangular shape right here. So for the shape, you can go around and choose a fill color as you like and change around the stroke as well, which can be gradient as well, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the sides, as you can see just like this as well. And this is what you have. So now you can see that you can also choose a fixed ratio for the shape right here. So to make it perfectly square, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around, make it a fixed size right here, just like this. And you can also go around onto the original ratio as well. So that is what you have. You can go around and choose the rectangular tool. Apart from that, you got the ellipse, as you can see right here, which is more like rounded. Then you got line around over here as well, which is simply a line right here. Then you can also go around, go for parametric shape right here, just like this, like more like this 5-star pentagon right here, polygon that is. And you can also go around for star, as you can see right here from the choice. You can go for arrow, as you can see right here. You can go for grid, as you can see right here, just like this as well, and choose different sides of the grid right here, just like this as well. So, and then of course you got the spiral right here, and you can go around, change around the length of the spiral, just like this as well. And this is what you have. Click and drag this around, and this is what you have right here. So that is how you can go around and work with shapes inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.